guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. Very hot. I just need to go to the mall for a while. I just need to drop this empty bottle in the starter machine so that I can get the prints. Oh, so hot. Very hot. This is WTC. Yeah, only one building away from the house. Here in WTC. WTC Mall. Alright, so WTC. I like the painting here. They have a nice painting here. See the eagle. The eagle. Here also, they have a nice painting. I like the color of the painting. Painting in the wall. See? That's only a painting.